A toaster that charges your phone? Meet SWIPPIT, the CES 2025 gadget swapping dead batteries for full ones in seconds. Is this the family power-up we've been waiting for? Or just a quirky gimmick? Let's dig in. Hey tech fam, the SWIPPIT Charging Hub's got everyone talking. Wired, X, gadget blogs. It's the toaster-shaped charger you never knew you needed. Today, we're breaking down its vibe and why it's trending. Let's roll. Picture this. A sleek breadbox-sized hub that holds 5 3,500 mAh batteries. Pair it with SWIPPIT's custom phone case, the Link, and boom! Pop your phone in and it swaps the drained battery for a fresh one in 2 seconds. No cables, no waiting, just instant juice. It's called a CES standout and it's built for families, multiple users, one hub. Pre-orders live now with a $100 CES discount, dropping the $450 hub to $350 plus $120 per case. Shipping is June 2025, so mark your calendars. Why is it hot? X users love the never plug in again vibe, perfect for busy homes. It's iPhone 14 to 16 ready, with Samsung cases coming late 2025. The app tracks battery health so you're always powered up. But here's the catch. $570 for a hub and one case? Blogs say it's slick but pricey. 5 portable chargers might do the trick cheaper. Still, that futuristic swap, total flex for tech nerds and parents juggling dead phones. So, who is this for? If you hate cords and love gadgets, SWIPPIT's your jam. It's quirky, sure, but practical for chaos-proof power-ups. Niche? Maybe $350 steep for some. Yet CES 2025 crowned it a vibe, and that discount's tempting. Convenience versus cost, your call. What's your take? SWIPPIT a must-have or overkill? Drop it in the comments.